Hey guys, I'm at the KTM dealership here in Quito, and I'm here with Juan David, and he's got a couple things that KTM riders need to know about, and maybe other kind of riders too, but KTM for sure, there's two things. What are those two things that you were telling me about?
Well, hi everybody. In the lower range motorcycles right now, the application of KTM My Ride doesn't work here in my country. The other issue here in Latin America would be the height. For example, I had this problem in several bikes and different clients that told me that when they are in Bolivia, in La Paz, because of the height of the elevation, sometimes the gas here starts to bubble up and you have to open this lid and it's gonna like burst in the air like a geyser. So recommendation would be to maybe use a product like this, which is an octane booster, which besides of giving more octanes to the gas, it also stabilizes the gas mixture, so it wouldn't happen that fast. Be careful with the heat, the altitude, with the levels of gasoline in your bike. Obviously, all the other precautions to have a safe trip.
Anything specific about Ecuador that we should know about as riders, dangers or problems, maybe KTM specific or just adventure riding in general?
Well, you should take care, especially if you go to the Oriente, okay,
East.
in the east of of Ecuador. In some cities, I don't know why, but they used to spill gas, oil, or diesel in the freeway. So you should be really careful when you're going through the east of the country, through the Oriente, like Orellana, Sacha, Pastaza. All those places you should take extreme care in the curves and everything because of that. For example, for KTM, we have authorized dealers in the principal cities, Quito, Cuenca, and Guayaquil. And also we are connected with all the Latin American KTM brand. So if you make a maintenance here, the bike's warranty, it's gonna apply here and it's gonna apply in Colombia or Chile or any other country.
How easy is it to get KTM parts here in South America?
It all depends on the model year of the bike. The newest bikes, we have everything. For all these models like 2015 and older, it's a bit difficult to find some parts, but we also work with the DealerNet and all the KTM apps, so we can fast ship from the United States or even Austria, Matihofen if it's required. Yeah, so it depends on the time and the kind of damage, because as you know, there are some parts that are more changeable than others. Like, I don't know, levers and stuff like that.
I was just bitching about it in another video. I'll put the link above. But, you know, $100 for a clutch and $100 for a brake. And you quoted me $200 just for this guy here, right?
Yeah. It's the cost of the parts of KTM. As you know, keeps taking money, keeps you throwing money. But it's an awesome bike, it's an awesome ride. Besides those small problems that you can face going down the road, I think there's nothing that could stop these bikes. You know, as long as you use original filters and good quality oil, it's gonna run fine.
Which one do you think is better, Motul or Motorex?
Well, we haven't had the chance to test Motorex here in Ecuador. Here in Ecuador, we use Motul and Maxima oils. Both are amazing oils, and both have an excellent performance in high temperature, high altitudes. But personally, the one that I like the most is Maxima oil.
Yeah, why's that?
I don't know, I think the feeling in the clutch, the way the bike starts, how everything runs, how the oil degrades with the time and takes all the nasty parts from inside the engine, from the combustion. So it works really fine. Also, I do prefer Maxima to Motul because here in America Latina, Motul is one of the most faked oils. They use the original bottles and use another oil, or simply change the bottle, because building up the bottle is really easy here, you know. The main difference is I don't know if you have seen the Motul caps. You have to pull the cap, you know.
Yeah.
And it looks like a kind of diaphragm that pulls and pushes in. If it's from a bad quality, it's gonna break. Yeah. And
you might get screwed.
Yeah.
What about it here at the KTM dealership?
No, because we are the ones that import that product here. If they're not buying us, I don't know where you're buying your oil, but you shouldn't.